Hey guys, it's Lily Lavender, and today I'll be showing you how I made this makeup brush holder slash vase slash whatever it is that you want to use it for. And let's go ahead and get started. Hey subscribers, it's Lily Lavender, and this is what you can expect to see on my channel. So what we're going to do first is we're going to get our adhesive diamond wrap, which you can purchase at Dollar Tree for $1. And then we need a vase, which is also $1 at Dollar Tree. Some glass gems, which you can get at Family Dollar. They have it at Dollar Tree too, but I got mine from Family Dollar for about like almost $2, I guess. And some scissors. After that, you're going to go ahead and take your marbles and organize them. Well, I guess not really organize, not the right word, but separate them by color if you want to. This is just my preference. If you want, you can always just grab a handful and just put it in the glass. Then you're going to take your adhesive and you're going to go ahead and cut it into 3 strips. And you're going to cut it 3 diamonds down. So go ahead and cut, cut, cut. One is going to be for the top of the vase, the middle, and then the bottom. So now you're gonna go ahead and rip out the adhesive. The white paper is in the back. Be careful not to rip the adhesive because I almost did. So yeah, be very careful when you're peeling it. And then you're gonna go ahead and apply it. It's not gonna be straight at first, let me tell you. I had to go back and kind of straighten it to the best of my ability, even though it still wasn't perfect, but that's okay because it was still cute though. And also, what was I gonna say? Darn, I forgot. But yeah, oh yeah, I was gonna say, try not to, when you're putting the adhesive, try not to just wrap it around, like hug it around the vase. Start from the beginning of the adhesive and then work your way around the vase. It's easier that way. Okay, so when I got to the very last strip, I realized that the edges look really nice. And I was like, oh, how did this happen? Then I realized that the edge that I didn't cut, like that was around the adhesive, is like it has little fabric hanging off the bottom. And I was like, yep, that's the part I'm going to use for the very end. After that, when you are wrapping the adhesive around, you're going to notice that it's not going to wrap completely around. There's going to be gaps. So I'm going to cut a strip again. And then I'm going to fill in those missing spaces. So now the marble part began. I'm going to go ahead and start putting in the dark marbles first. And then I'm going to put in the red marbles. And then I'm going to put in the clear marbles or silver marbles, whatever you think the color is. What I was going for was kind of like an ombre look, you know, dark to light, light to dark. But that's my preference. If you want to, mix them all up, you know, and do your thing. So after that was done, I went ahead and put my makeup brushes in, and I can say I'm satisfied with it. I thought it was cute, you know. It was a little cute thing, you know, to put on my my vanity. So yeah, hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Deuces.